Is there a good or standard way to condense all of the iterations of applications and granted patents for a citation in a table of references? Prior art search, curriculum vitae. I'm particularly thinking of IP that's been filed in numerous countries and courts, where the titles, authors, bodies are largely the same, but the granted claims may differ. Okay. You're basically looking for this for a giant online library of everything that's ever been filed. Me too. I'd love to have that. I think the answer is no, but I do think there are organizations that attempt to do so. I mean, the number one that comes to my mind is World Intellectual Property Organization. WIPO is the world by definition. They're trying to be the source for intellectual property. So I think they're on their way. They've got lots of tools and resources and ways you can go as an individual and search on their website for really technical subject matter, keyword searching, lots of different ways you can do, Boolean searching, type by class, international class searches, that type of thing. So I think that's probably my answer. But the real answer is there's lots of different ways and lots of different places to find this information. The USPTO certainly is a great place to go for US-based patents. That is the number one place to go begin that search. There's a new public search tool that they've got up there. Know that it's not going to provide what's called non-patent literature, which is basically everything else that exists in the world. There are, believe it or not, folks that just want to just make stuff and don't seek patent protection. And those could act as what's called prior art to prevent you from getting a patent on the same or similar subject matter. So it really is near impossible to really have this at all knowing, right, one place, but I think WIPO is going to be the place to go with.
Matt, just reading between the lines here, it almost seems like this individual is looking to find like opportunities where like trade or patents have been filed, but like not the full claims in some countries. And I'm kind of curious what their motivation is for wanting that information.
Yeah, I think also that's a good point. I think one other thing to mention is that if I get a patent in only the US, that will prevent someone outside the US, let's say in Germany, from getting a German patent. It must be new, not just within the country, but in the whole world. Maybe that's important to clarify. Yeah. So new in the whole world, doesn't matter which country you're searching necessarily. So